In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Snapchat Home Safe feature. So this actually gives you an arrival alert set up and it will actually help you keep home safe. So this home safe feature allows users to automatically notify friends when they've arrived home safely. So this one-time alert within a chat conversation. So in order to use it, you first need to head over and set your home location. In order to do this, head over to your Snapchat and navigate to the Snap Map like I did right here. Now in here, just tap on your Bitmoji. For example, this is the Bitmoji, and you should be able to see in here an option for the My Home in order to save the address you have. Now before heading out, open the chat that you want with your friend that you want to notify. In this case, let's head over and then choose in here this friend. Now into this, just tap on the map icon that you should be able to here on the screen. And then head over and then set up your home into this and then just select the home safe button that you can see. And when you arrive home, the app will automatically send a one-time notification to the selected friend within your chat indicating your safe arrival. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.